Hello back everyone. Throughout this session we're gonna discuss about switch in JavaScript. So switch, first of all, it's like a replacement for if else. Whenever you are feeling comfortable with it, you can use if else, which we discussed in our last session, or you can use switch. So to apply switch, first of all I need a variable. Let's have an x and that one could be just 3. And to define switch, we will say switch on that variable x. Okay? And to start working with that, it's basically about some cases. So let's start by first case. I will say in case of x equal 1, just say console.log, maybe just 1 or something like that. It's up to you. So it's better I will take, that case as a copy and paste for the sake of the time. So in case of 2 means, in case that x equal 2, please, execute for me that statement. What else? You're gonna say in case of x equal 3, just execute for me that statement. And you got to, you're gonna keep working like that, case 4, case 5, case 6, etc. till you reach that you fulfill all your user requirement. After all, you're gonna say default. Default means else. Okay, so default, if all that cases didn't work, please, go and execute what's inside the default. So here is that console.log, just say none or just like anything. Okay, all right. So right now, look at that. If you will start to analyze your program, here is it, x equals 3. So first of all, is 3 equal to 1? No. Is 3 equal to 2? No. Is 3 equal to 3? Yes. So he will execute that one. He will show on that console screen 3. If you come here, you will find 3. But hey, why he execute default? Because he continued to execute all other statement after case 3. You didn't put the special keyword which it will tell him after you execute all the statement related to case 3, please stop executing anything else. Let me show you something before I tell you about that keyword. Here is that in case 4, for example. Okay, I will say case 4, just print 4. Look at that. He print what? He print 3 and 4 and none. Here is it. Let me have here some space. He print 3, 4 and none. That means you have, after each case, you have to tell him, hey, after executing that case, please, go and stop executing all other. So the keyword for that, it's basically break. You have to tell him break after each case to tell the JavaScript stop executing that other cases. Only that case, here is it. I have to put it after each one. And by the way, by default will be the last one. So no need to tell him break because it's basically the last one. Nothing else it will be execute after default. So if you come again, here is it, you will find he only showed to you number 3. That means he come to that case. That means he check about that case 3 and he execute that statement, and after that he just break, he just close executing other cases. So you can work with switch or if else, it's up to you. Both of them are doing the same from my perspective, but there's some cases you need to use switch. Anyway, thank you for watching and keep coding, and see you in next